Shearwell's automatic drafting crate has been designed in-house and made to receive the handheld stock recorder and Shearwell's in-race EID reader. The drafting crate can either be used with a 3-way draft or a 5-way draft. It's quite light and versatile. The rams on the front gate and the back gate have a cushion effect, reducing the banging and rattling that is observed on some other makes of crate. Reasons for using the auto draft crate are manifold. This year we used the crate to draft lambs freshly bought that had either 1 vaccination, 2 vaccinations or none at all, and this actually saved us the cost of the microchip in the ears of the sheep on the 1 pass-through in vaccine costs. The other uses can be for at tupping time to keep the different family groups together. They can be drafted out on sex, on breed, and many other ways that normal drafting practice is used for.
So the sheep's come in the crate through the automatic gate at the back. It's read its ear tag, it's taken its weight, and this is doing it by weight. So there'll be 3 different weights and it will shed out through the gates at the front 3 different ways.